Namaskar. In this video, I am going to explain you how to cure your mental problem like mental stress, anxiety, and when your mind is very disturbing. So in this time, each and every people are suffering from mental health. So in yoga is a magic in, in this earth. So if you do proper yoga, pranayama, meditation, if you do properly, you can get benefit in same day if you do properly. So now I am going to three pranayama. Okay. So we'll start. So first we'll sit on the mat, and this is very neat place and no any other sound in your room. Okay. So first we'll do Om chanting. Om chanting 7 times. Okay. And when you Om chanting, you'll feel the power of energy in your navel area, abdominal area, in this area, you'll feel that area. Okay. So first we'll start. Sit on the mat, take a deep breath, and when you are inhaling, don't forcefully inhale. Just smoothly inhale and take a few seconds. When you are inhaling, you will take 4 to 5 seconds. Don't like don't do like this. Okay. So do very smoothly. Okay. So first we will inhale. Again we'll start. Inhale, and now we will start chanting. So do like this 7 set. Okay. Home chanting will do 7 times. This is very helpful for increase your awareness level. Okay. So 7 times, after 7 times, you will take a break 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, we will do Nadi Shuddhi. Nadi Shuddhi, you can use your any finger, but uh, index and anamika, otherwise thumb and anamika. Okay, this is the thumb and this is the ring finger. So this is name of anamika and angutha. Okay, so angutha and anamika, thumb and ring finger you can use. Otherwise, you are comfortable if you comfortable in index finger and any finger you can use. Okay, so this is not a issue. So we'll start from left nostril. Close your right nostril with thumb and keep your hand like very relaxed position, not like this. Okay, many people are doing like this, so don't do like this. Just very relaxed position, very relaxed position. And take a deep breath with your left nostril and exhale with same nostril. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so this is the Nadi Shuddhi 1. Inhale and exhale with same nostril. Okay, and after that we'll do Nadi Shuddhi 2nd. Everyone you know actually Anulom Vilom. Yeah. So take a right nostril, breathe, take a right nostril and exhale with left nostril. Inhale with left nostril, exhale with right nostril. So first 7 times you will do with same nostril, inhale and exhale, and second inhale with right nostril, exhale with left nostril. Again inhale with left nostril, exhale with right nostril. So let's start. Close your right nostril, inhale with left nostril, and you will take a breath proper slowly. It will take a 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, don't be hurry. Now close your left nostril, hold your breath 2 to 3 seconds, and exhale. Inhale with right nostril, exhale with left nostril. Inhale with right nostril, inhale with left nostril, close your left nostril, and exhale with right nostril. So do this also 7 times, right and left. We'll start from left nostril. So again we'll start after 7 times. Again we'll start with your right nostril. So this is Nadi Shuddhi. So first Om chanting, second Nadi Shuddhi, and third one is Brahmri. Okay, so Brahmri is the 3-4 variation in Brahmri. So this is the very good. Keep your thumb inside your ear and keep your 3 finger on your eyes and index finger your forehead, and take a deep breath and just close your mouth and say Ma. Second time. Okay, so I'll do this Brahmari, you will do 10 times. Okay, Brahmari will do 10 times. And Nadi Shuddhi sequence is 7 set and 7 times Om chanting. This is the minimum. Okay, sorry. So this is the minimum sequence, and you will do, actually you can set the time 10 minutes each pranayama. You will do only 3 pranayama. Only you will do 1 week to 10 days. You can see what is the magical changes in your body, in your health, mental health. Not only mental health, change also your physical body also. Okay, so namaste, we'll meet you soon.